Hey, Jeff Kelderman here, Kelderman Trucks. Just finished up this badass 2019 Ram Longhorn Edition. This is a 2500 series truck. So start off front here. We went with our Alpha Series bumpers. We did a complete chrome package on this truck. So we did chrome monster hooks. We got chrome spacers for the hooks. We got chrome mesh, chrome fairlead, chrome hook for the worn winch. This is a 16.5 worn winch with a synthetic rope option on it. We're using the midnight rigids on the front wings here. We color match. We do all our painting here in house. They're an awesome painter, real nice paint booth. It's a first class setup. Come back here to the front, or come up front here to the front suspension. We got 5 to 6 inch kit. We got our Raptor shocks, which are tuned to the Kelderman suspension. The ride on this truck is amazing. I mean, it really is like riding a good stock height truck. We got American Force 22 inch rims, 37 by 13.5 Toyo MTs on it. And as you can see also on that front Kelderman radius arms, we use got a chrome package on that. And we use factory eccentric bolts so that doing the alignment on this truck after the lift is super easy. So coming around to the rear, we got our 5 to 6 inch rear Kelderman suspension. On the 2019s, we actually bumped up the airbag size on these 2500s to match up with the 3500s. Gives you a little more, can carry a little more weight now and keep the truck level. So these bags are actually quite a bit more than this rear axle is rated for. So anyway, coming back here, we also have the Kelderman tuned Raptor shocks on this. You can see the sensor there for the 3H control system. It's all Bluetooth. You can run it off your phone. Come around to the rear, you can see the Alpha Series bumper. You got the chrome hooks, just like we do on the front, chrome bushings. Got your backup lights here. Tell you what, once you use these trucks here with the backup lights, you flip these on, man, you can see when you're hooking up that trailer in the dark. It works awesome. And we got our Kelderman, we got our chuck underneath here so you can air up tires and accessories. When you take the kids to the beach, you're set to go, man. So this truck's going to Arkansas, repeat customer. If you live down there, keep your eyes out for this truck. It's going to be a hard one to miss.